Physical evidence collected by investigators in the disappearance of Cassandra Gross was presented in the homicide trial of her ex-boyfriend today.
Thomas Stanko is charged with killing Gross despite her body never being found. Gross disappeared back in 2018. Erica Stanish reports on what prosecutors now say ties Stanko to her death.
Investigators presented evidence from a search warrant at Stanko's home and his mother's just days after Gross's disappearance. And they provided evidence from a search warrant at his home again 1 year later. Days after Cassandra Gross disappeared, investigators arrived at Thomas Stanko's home and his mother's in the search for evidence. At Stanko's home, they heavily focused on a fire pit and burn barrel, finding items charred and in a pile of ash. Inside that burn barrel, state police testified finding a piece of a clothing item, a pair of eyeglass arms with the word Coach on them, a small glass container piece with a lid, and a magazine that was labeled to Cassandra with her address. The prosecution then showed some matching items that were provided from the companies those items were sold at. For example, LensCrafters, who confirmed Gross had purchased a pair of Coach glasses 1 month before her disappearance, and a vet who provided a vial on insulin, confirming Gross would give it to her dog who had diabetes. Each item appearing to match perfectly. Now, police testified they also took blood samples tested for DNA from a toolbox on the back of Stanko's truck. Those results have yet to be revealed. Meanwhile, investigators say during a search on his mother's property, less than 2 miles from where they found Gross's burned car, they found multiple large burn piles, along with a gas can, blowtorch tip, and a newspaper from the day before the search. And 1 year later, investigators returned to Stanko's home, seizing makeup in a bag from under his bathroom sink. A receipt dated it all being purchased on the date that Gross was reported missing. Also collected was burn pads and scar gel. Now this, prosecutors believe, could be connected to when Stanko went to MedExpress on April 13th. A family medicine expert testified she treated Stanko that day for skin-related injuries that he claimed were from an accident with a pine tree falling. That doctor testified that she was skeptical on how he really got the multiple scratches to his face and believes the redness on his face could have been from a burn. But during final testimony for the day, a trooper told the jury that he saw Stanko 1 day before that visit to MedExpress, who claimed to have gotten those injuries from an ATV accident. 28 witnesses took the stand over the last 3 days to testify. Everything has wrapped up for today and will continue on Monday. Reporting in Greensburg, Westmoreland County, Erica Stanish, KDKA-TV News.